Here, let's look at action words in Yoruba. These are also known as verbs. Tell, so, swell, woo, smell, run, walk, ring, eat, jẹ, go, lọ, come, wá, baked, wẹ̀, do, ṣe, wait, dúró, start, bẹ̀rẹ̀, sleep, sùn, drink, mu, give, fún, have, ní, jump, bẹ́, open, ṣí, return, padà, enjoy, gbádùn, break, fọ́.